Good morning, good morning, good morning. Saturday morning, brr, it is chilly by Hawaii standards and rainy and wet and all of that stuff. But this is another Steel and Deal production. I ain't gonna do no intro out to one take, Jake, because this should be quick and straight to the point because y'all like those other PG4 videos. So let's try and see how this works here. If y'all haven't subscribed to the fam, 313 Retro Queen with Fly KOL, PMKICKZ, I don't know what y'all waiting on. The links, descriptions are always in the chat box, and always go check out my featured channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Shout out to everybody today who hit on those nines. Nines, not a must have for me. They are dope. If I find them on the retail, I probably would get to them. I don't know why the PG4 not doing that great. PJ3 would do pretty good, especially with the PlayStation line. But let's see how y'all like these joints. PG4, as y'all can see, another exchange pickup PP personal pair. I don't know about what the materials on these, but they run very snug. So you can go half a size or full size, just depending on how you like the shoe. It is a light shoe. As you can see, suggested retail price is $110. Navy exchange price $89. Orange tag price $65. And guess what? Another 50% off of that. You're talking about $32 for a $110 shoe. Fisher colorway, black, white, wolf gray. So the question is again, would you cop these for 30 bucks? Probably most of you would say yes. As you can see, you got the stamp and ramp right there. You got your paper raper. The Fisher colorway on these are black, white, wolf gray, and I think they're like a teal blue. So I like these. These, I mean, you can wear these as beaters, right? You can wear these as beaters. I mean, look, it's a light shoe, right? Mr. Playoff P, Mr. Game Winning P, Mr. Palmdale P. You got so many different names and all of that different stuff. But as you can see, like I said, I'm gonna keep this straight to the point. Let's get into the shoe. As you can see underneath the bottom, you got that smoky gray translucent looking bottom. As you can see, you got the Nike Lifeline. They got that Zoom. I think that's Zoom technology underneath. Yeah, full length Nike. No, my bad. Full length Nike Air. Went back. They go back and forth between Zoom, Air, and all that other stuff. Y'all know how they go. Trees. You know, here that's his nickname, right? Trees. Then you got more like this kind of like Flynet materials. Then you got mesh material here. Then you got this zipper. I don't know how I feel about this zipper. Make you feel like you got on a pair of pants, right, with this zipper. But y'all get the drift with the hits of cement. And then you got the pull tab, of course, with the nylon, with the PG. The pull tab to help you get your shoes on. A lot of support in the back with the cushion for the pushing with this shoe. You got the teal hits right here. You got the other stuff, kind of like a foam Phylon type material. But like I said, you got air. You got stitching around the swoosh, which is pretty good. I guess you don't have to really, or you do have laces inside, you can see. But I guess you could lace it or you don't, because you got the zipper there, of course. Coming around on the back, you got Roman numeral 4, right? Because it's the 4th iteration of the PG. Then on the back, you got some nubuck suede with his signature, which is very, very dope. And you got another pull tab right here as well. You always have nuggets, right, in his shoe, or Easter eggs, like they call it, right? You got Palmdale, area code, right there. You also got PG-13, which is currently his number. And inside the netting, like I said, you got stuff like this, like so. And you can say strobe. And you got size 11. QR code 12, 14, 19, and 3, 14, 20 on the shoe. So that one you got the area code, Trees with his nickname. You always get different other stuff on the shoes. Let's see what else we got on this one. Okay, we got Young Trees on this shoe. And we have the area code on this shoe with 13. And in the back, okay, for other stuff, 4th iteration. So just real quick before I keep on raining, I get drenched out here, need a canoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think. For 30 bucks, would you crop these or would you not? On a little meat, I give it about a 4.2 out of 5. Nothing spectacular. A light shoe for you ballers out there. and all of that good stuff. So let me know what you think. We can chop it up in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Much love, hair grease, peace.